Oh, okay, it's fine. Hello. Hello, YouTube. Melissa Riley 1155. I actually got that right this time. Haven't made a video in a while because my webcam's started. But I'm at KRFLAE's house again, so that's good. She's on her phone. I don't know what she's doing. But today,
phone sex.
She's having phone sex. Yum. Today we're going to the mall. And what else are we doing? We're going to a really big mansion to see it. I don't know. It's going to be really fun. I'm excited. And, we're eating Gobstoppers.
Yesterday there was this girl here, and we gave her some, and she put like half the box in her shirt. Thinking
Yeah.
we didn't know.
And then she got up and they fell out everywhere. It was really funny. But, this kid, you cannot sleep with her because she takes all the blankets and you wake up freezing like you're in Antarctica. You have to like snuggle with a penguin. Like, it's so cold. And I stole the sheet and I woke up and it was like on the ground. I'm like, alright. But she had all the blankets on her side, off the bed and everything. And it was just really bad.
I can't sleep with people.
Clearly.
Even if we have separate blankets, I'll take your blanket.
Yes. But maybe it'll be better tonight. I don't know.
I've been bad for that.
But we're buying new nose rings today. Mine actually really hurts still. Like, I got it done 6 months ago. And when I take it out, it hurts so badly. So, if you guys have any, like...
She got a pierce with a gun.
Oh, yeah, I got a pierce with a gun, not a needle. I don't know. But my cartilage is just, like, smashed everywhere. I don't know. But, it's March break, and the phone's ringing.
And March break's almost over.
And March break's almost over. Yeah, I'm so angry. It went by so fast.
I don't even remember Monday or Tuesday.
Bull crap. She was with her friend. Friend.
Because we're not dating, so we're confused.
Friends with benefits. I'm just joking. They're really good friends. But,
Not good friends like we're gonna have sex, but we're just friends.
whatever gets you through the day. Yeah, so if you, okay, I only have two subscribers because I'm really lame, and one of them's KRFLA. So, subscribe. Oh, and if you want any questions answered, then send them to me, and I will answer them for you.
On a video, no matter how dirty or uninteresting or gross or weird they are, she'll answer them.
Okay, but just like...
No, give her your worst.
Okay, good, and I'll answer it, and I'll have to, and if I don't, then...
She already has to say dirty things to my mom.
Oh my god, I know. I had to ask her if her and my uncle still, like, have sex. I had to ask her. It was a bet, and I lost.
Okay, this is the bet. The bet was if Dane, this is the guy who came over, asked me out this weekend, I'd have to say something dirty to my parents. But if he didn't ask me out, then she'd have to say something dirty to my parents. But I knew he wasn't going to ask me out because he's happy with the way we are now, and that's totally fine. But I knew that he wasn't going to ask me out, so I had the bet in the bag.
Yeah, so I have to, oh my god, I don't know. I'm just going to have to get it over with. But, yeah, so ask questions. Oh, I'm so tired. Ask questions, comment, subscribe, rate, comment, subscribe, rate, subscribe, comment, subscribe, rate, comment, everything.
You want to say that in a different way?
I think I said it in all the possible ways. But,
if you guys can come up with another possible way, we'll send you something.
Yes, I will, I don't know, give me your address and I'll send you a letter, I don't know.
That'd be fun. Can we do that? Oh my god, guys, send me your email or your place.
Yeah, send us your emails and then we'll set up an account.
Just for you.
Just for you guys. And if you have any questions, then we'll answer. If you have any stories.
You want to talk dirty.
Oh, yeah. Like, if you can't get a girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever, we're here.
Or if you want to, like, tell us your issues and we'll solve them for you.
Yes. If you have problems, then we'll try and help as best as we can. And,
we'll give you sympathy and the best friend you never had.
Yeah, so inbox me or KRFLE. Inbox your email or
They're
whatever.
more likely to inbox me. I have more subscribers.
Shut up. It's not fair. Can you guys just subscribe to me just so I can be like, blah
I have
to
more
her?
than 2.
I know, I only have 2. Like, come on, guys. It's not very fair. I only had actually like 1 video anyway, so it doesn't matter.
So you need more videos.
Or 2 videos, whatever. Oh my god, my bra hurts so badly. Sorry.
You don't tell the world this.
Oh well, I don't care.
Oh, look at this panda, guys.
Yes, her friend.
And I have necklaces
to
and
her.
his shirt. Show them that. Watch the flower.
Look at it. Oh,
Isn't
the
it
flower.
adorable?
There's a rose in this thing. There's a rose in it. It's so adorable.
Isn't it cute?
It is cute. Alright, well, I'm gonna go because we're gonna go to a mansion soon. So I'm so excited.
I'm gonna go use their workout room.
Oh yeah, their workout room.
We'll
Pump
take
it up!
We'll take videos off our phones and then we'll put them on YouTube.
Oh yeah, for sure. We'll take videos of the mansion. We'll be like, whoa! But yeah, alright.
Peace and light, bros.
Peace, my bro. Oh, ready? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.